Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S26 so you can enjoy faster mobile data speeds and get the best performance from your network. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started! To activate 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S26, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you are in Settings, you only need to scroll a little and tap on Connections since it appears near the top. After that, tap on Mobile Networks. Then select Network Mode. Here, choose the option that includes 5G, such as 5G LTE, 3G, 2G Auto Connect. Once you select that option, 5G will be enabled on your phone. If you do not see a 5G option, make sure your carrier supports 5G, that your mobile plan includes 5G access, and that 5G coverage is available in your area. You can also check for software updates by going to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. And that's it! Now you know how to activate 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S26.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.